Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the artifacts that you can try at your home. Let's try to make first this a sea animal, or we can say it's a kind of somewhat similar to the insect. Yes, we are talking about the crab. This is very easy. You just have to make the cylindrical body and then follow the each step in a sequential manner. You have to make the legs like here, and then the antennae are very important. Next, we are going to show you how we can make this dog. For this, you have to make a circle. After that, you have to make a sleeping line. Then you have to make the D shape and then join all the circles with each other as shown here. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Don't forget to make the bell for this pet dog. It looks so cute. Fill it with some of the bright colors. You can make use of the pencil for drawing. Here I am making use of the marker. Next, we are going to show you how we can make this dragon. For this, you just have to first make a line, and after that you just have to make some of the curves over it. You can just pause the video and see how I am joining one line with the other. Don't forget to make the limbs of this dragon. After that, you have to make some of the spikes over the spiny area of this dragon. It looks so cute. This is very easy, best suitable for small kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Here we are going to show you how we can make the rabbit. First, you just have to make a heart shape. After that, you just have to draw the alphabets R in opposite direction also. Then the ears are to be drawn from the left side, smaller ones, and from the right side, bigger ones. After that, add the more features like the nose, eyes. It looks so cute. Add some of the tint over the ears and the cheeks area using the baby pink color. In between is the heart that we are filling with red color. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a lion that's the king of the jungle. First, you just have to make the numerical 5, and after that you just have to make some curvy areas. Then the rest of the body is made. The mane of the lion is very important. You just have to make it more curvier and more fluffier. Don't forget to draw the tail, and the teeth are to be made like carnivore swan. Next, we are going to show you how we can make this cute kitty cat. For this, you just have to draw the circular shape and then follow the each step in a sequential manner. Add the patterns of the body. I have made use of the yellow color. You can make use of any other color for this. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a squirrel. For this, you have to make a somewhat triangular shape. After that, in between, you have to make some of the lines that are similar to V shape. Then again, another curvy body similar to the pear shape. After that, the fluffy tail. Let's try to make a snail. First, we are making a circle. After that, we are from the inner side, we are giving it a curve and making it look like a twisty way. After that, we are making the two antennas from where we will draw the eyes. Let's try to make a rabbit. For this, I am making a sleeping line. Over it, I am going to make somewhat 3 type of the number, and then the ears are joined with the rest of the body. This is very easy. Let's try to make a mouse out of the numbers 7, 2 and 9. See, you just have to draw these numbers in a sequential manner. First 7, then plus, then 2, and after that you just have to make the rest of the back area of this rat. This is very easy. Let's try to make a turtle. First make a circle, after that make a D shape. Then from the lower area you just have to make the legs, and then you just have to join them one after the another. Don't forget to just draw the pattern over the shell area. It looks so cute and easy, best suitable for the small kids. Thank you for watching our videos.